Hi fellows, welcome back at our channel. Today we're going to talk about alcohol. What? Again? Yes, again. And this time around we're going to talk about the main indicators of the amount of alcohol that a drink may contain. There are two main indicators to indicate the amount of alcohol in any given liquid, and of course booze especially. And that is ABV, alcohol by volume, and proof. Take this bottle for instance, a rye whiskey. 45% ABV, 90 proof it says. ABV, alcohol by volume, is of course, as you could tell, depicted in percentages. That means that indeed 45% of the contents of this very bottle is alcohol. It's that simple. Proof, on the other hand, is a different matter entirely. It is in America still in use and fell in disuse in the UK in the 60s. But in the American way of things, actually, it is double the amount of the ABV. So 45% ABV would be 90 proof indeed. Same goes for a vodka of 50% ABV, which would be 100 proof in America. They used to have different scales or different ratios for it back in the day in the UK, but it's not being used in the UK anymore anyway, so we'll leave that beyond this channel. Proof, on the other hand, has a little bit of a side note to it, because 100 proof used to be a spirit or any alcoholic liquid, and it would depict its flammability. So 100 proof means that it's flammable. 99 proof or 98 proof would not be flammable. And the way they actually tested that was by pouring a bit of the liquid, the alcoholic liquid, on gunpowder and set it alight and just see if the powder being drenched in the alcohol was still flammable indeed back in the day. Then there are two other types of measurement as well, but they won't tell you how strong a drink is, but they will provide guidance vis-a-vis the amount of alcohol you have in your blood. That will tell you the total amount of alcoholic consumption you've had. Of course, they are called standard drink or unit of alcohol. A standard drink varies in volume depending on the total amount of alcohol of a serving. So, for instance, a standard drink of a spirit would take up much less space than a standard drink of a beer, of course. They both contain the same amount of alcohol if you look at it from that side. So, the degree of your intoxication will be the same as well. Different countries define standard drinks differently. For example, in Australia, 10 grams of alcohol are considered to be a standard drink, while in Japan it's nearly 20 grams. Labeling is often required, so under the law, producers are supposed to tell you how much alcohol a serving actually has. Speaking of serving, next time we'll delve into the intricate world of hosting a spirit tasting. So maybe you want to give that a try as well, to host a tasting with your friends, and we'll tell you how to do it. See you next time.